Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 3rd, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a quick look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, we had the tariff news yesterday evening, and just like I said, it was a very, very volatile event. I didn't actually trade this event because I've never experienced tariff wars like this, so I didn't really think it was something I wanted to trade. Plus, it was late for me because I do live in Europe. But yeah, I mean, I was totally thinking it was going to go down and make a more proper ABC. Like I've been saying in my videos, I thought it was going to be an A, I thought it was going to be a B, I thought it was going to be a C. But I did know for a fact that the higher time frames were in an uptrend. I've been very, very bullish the dollar pairs for quite some time. If you've been watching my videos, I actually think the pound dollar is going to go all the way up to probably about the 1.43, 1.44 area over the next year or so. So I am definitely very bullish. Now that it's all over with, I mean, we can see that it probably is just an expanding ABC correction. You know, this is probably the wave A, this is probably the wave B, this is probably a wave C, higher high wave B, lower low wave C. I mean, it is very clear now that it's all over with. But now that it's over with, I mean, the trend is definitely up. Like the trend has been up the whole time. We are approaching the 78%. I definitely would not be trying to go long right up against a higher time frame Fibonacci level. I don't really think I'd want to go short either. If it does go down, I would be excited not to go short, but in order to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend at the end of pullbacks. So as usual, whether it's tariff news, whether it's scheduled news, no matter what it is, the higher time frame trend is your friend as usual. Trading with the very high time frame trend is almost always going to get you in the right direction. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.